to Ask Deb, and this is the video portion of our series. This particular recipe that we're going to focus on today is part of the list of recipes for diabetes. So this is a recipe that if you have diabetes, you can safely use this and it won't affect your blood sugar. This particular recipe is called Peppy Parsley, and it comes from Cherry Calboom's book called The Juice Lady's Guide to Optimum Health. It consists of 1 bunch of parsley, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and 1/2 of a cucumber. I peeled this one because it's not organic. Use organic as much as possible, but when you don't use organic, peel away the outer portion if you can. It also calls for 1/2 a lemon, and this is of course peeled too. So we're just going to start the juicer up, and we'll begin with the parsley. Since it's the largest amount of food, I'm just going to stuff it in there and follow up with some of the harder vegetables, like a cucumber. The cucumber's nice and watery. And we have a cup down here to catch the juice. It should work pretty good. You can smell the parsley, huh?
Yes.
So we're putting the cucumber in. And some celery. Most of the stuff juices up pretty quickly. When you get the leafy greens in your juicer, you may have to cut them up quite a bit, or just thin them in with the juicier vegetables. So now we're going to add the carrots. I peel these carrots as well. Again, if it's organic, you don't really have to peel it unless you want it peeled. A lot of the nutrients are in the peels, particularly in carrots. So it looks like we have all the juice, and we'll just turn it off. And I like to tip the juicer a little bit to make sure that you get all the juice out of the housing. And then this particular juicer has a little flip mouth so that you can keep the juice from coming out, so it doesn't get all over the place. If you have one of the juicers that doesn't have that, simply put another cup underneath it while you're pouring the juice. So this juice doesn't look very pretty, and I don't know what just went in there, probably a peel. I'll let you taste it, Vanessa, if you want to.
Okay.
Tell us how it tastes.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The carrots offer quite a bit of sweet in them, plus you have the lemon, so that offsets the taste of the cucumber, and the celery are pretty bland tasting. And then the parsley has a tangy green taste too, so that can be kind of strong, but the carrots and the lemon will offset that and create a nice balance. And again, that is a juice that you can use for diabetes, the management of diabetes, and even reversing. We have a list of recipes for diabetes patients, so go there and check them out. Also, I always buy a vegetable and fruit cleaner at the grocery store. It comes with this little mitt over it, and you can spray this on your vegetables and fruits and use the mitt to scrub it down. And then I rinse it off with the water too, and that helps to keep the dirt taste off the vegetables and fruits that you buy at the store, and just makes your juice a little bit yummier. And that concludes our video today for diabetes juices. Good luck and thank you.